The strong growth in China to Europe freight trains has been further increased by the pandemic. Chinese state media says that about 15,000 freight train trips were made between China and Europe in 2021. That was 82% higher from the pre-pandemic level in 2019. Those trips also moved 1.46 million containers during the past year. The train alternative to ocean or air shipping for Chinese export has several important advantages. First, it's a lot cheaper than air and now even less expensive than the ocean carriers. It is currently cost about $9,400 to ship a 40-foot container from China to Europe, 5 times the cost before pandemic. By comparison, the cost to make the same move via rail is now less expensive at about $8,000. Second, the rail route is a lot faster than ocean shipping. Container moving on rail between Europe and China can take as few as 20 days to get there versus as much as 70 days via ocean carriers, given all the delays and congestion at origin and destination port. There are also trains carrying European export to China on reverse trip for a rate of as low as $2,000, helped by Chinese subsidies for using the train. For more such information, subscribe to the channel.